Alright guys, we got this little bike here. It's honestly one of my dreams to have one of these when I was a kid. It's been 20 something 30 years, and I'm about to do it for my son. So got this engine, brand new. We'll try to swap it in here. Need to do a little Street Fighter look on it because I couldn't find the fairings for it. I mean, the exact CBR looking that this has got, you know, the CBR fairing kind of looking mini bike. I couldn't find those on internet, on Amazon, and I had a short period of time to do, so I couldn't really do it. But I also had a street bike before with a little halo lights in the front, looking like a, I don't know, like a bug or something, you know, flying down the highway. Yeah, we're gonna try to do something like that. Alright guys, won't bore you out with the talk. Let's see the walk. What's up guys? Haven't been really filming the process or the progress that I've been doing, but as far as we are right now, I've just been drilling this bolt and I couldn't get it off. So I got one of those screws that unscrews the bolt basically, and we just gotta take this plastic off. The frame is almost off, just this cable on, and yeah, it should be ready for to sand it down. Obviously got the forks, got a little problems with them because they're very rusty, and I haven't been able to really look at them much, but I oil them every time I come in here. Oil them up, leave 2-3 days, come back, try to unscrew some bolts, maybe they come on, come off. This bike, guys, was out in the rain for who knows how many years. It's very rusty. Plastics are in very bad shape. Surprisingly, the tires are both good. So as far as we are in this process, we are right here right now. So yeah, let's hope to get some time lapses on of these pieces, of these parts, and see how this is going to turn out. As you guys can see, the frame, very bad and rusty. She's upside down right now. Getting problems with that bolt. Very rusty. So what I do, I have a little syringe with some oil, and I just put it on. Of course, I use DW40 the first few tries, but that thing, it just disappears too fast, but the oil sits on there. Hopefully we'll eat everything from that bolt, because on this side I almost took it out. Yeah, basically. Yeah, just how you do everything like that to all the stuff. Tires and everything. Ce faci tu, James? Îl ajuți pe tata? Bravo, James. Bravo. Alright guys, so probably this is part 1 for this video. In this video we disassembled everything, took everything off the bike, finally, a lot of rust. I did a coat of black paint for the frame, so that's a little spoil for you guys. The frame will be black. What matters? What's next is gonna be part 2. How we finish probably this bike, and you will find out what colors will it have. For the ones that's got a good eyesight and good vision, the colors are already in this image that you see here. So, alright guys, like, subscribe. Let's see what comes out of this nice project that we got.